Hello everybody, welcome back to Trumpbottom Manor. Today we'll be teaching you how to say you have something.
Or we have got something.
Very good. I have a lot of money. He doesn't have a lot of money.
I don't have any money.
Why?
Because I don't have a good job.
Oh!
I have a beard.
Oh, I don't have a beard.
You have a fat belly.
Scratchit! Bloody rude! Do you have my brandy?
I have a glass of brandy.
That's my brandy. Scratchit!
That was your brandy.
Oh!
Does she have a big house?
Yes, she has a big house.
And does she have a big car?
Yes, she has a big car.
She has big knickers too.
What do you mean? What are those?
She left these last time she stayed.
Oh, Scratchit, put them away, put them away, put them away. Instead of I have, you can also say I have got. For example, I could say I have a beautiful wife, or I could say I have got a beautiful wife.
She's not beautiful.
What?
She's not beautiful.
Scratchit! Oh, the clock has stopped. Oh, my watch is broken. Scratchit. Have you got the time?
No, I haven't got the time.
Why haven't you got the time?
I haven't got the time because I haven't got a watch.
Why haven't you got a watch?
I haven't got a watch because I haven't got any money.
Why haven't you got any money?
I haven't got any money because I haven't got a good job.
Why haven't you got a good job?
I haven't got a good job because I work for you.
Oh, I haven't got time for your nonsense today, Scratchit. I've got a bloody headache.
Good. Thank you for joining us at Trumpbottom Manor.
Don't forget to like us, share us, subscribe, and to leave a comment.
See you later.
Goodbye.